Hey guys, in this tutorial I want to go and show you how you can get the Vogue filter for TikTok. Let's go. First of all, go to the App Store or the Google Playstore and type in Picarts App. Then download the app or open the app. After that, create an account or log in with another account. When you're that, click the top left X, then add a photo with the middle button. And after you added the photo, you click on the sticker, and then on the top you search for Vogue. There you find different names, different colors. So here's it in black, but I will make mine in a different color so it stands out. When you have that, you go and save the picture, or you can go and share it, whatever you want. Here is the before picture, and here's the after picture. So yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Please check out my channel with lots of other tutorials on other platforms like Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, or WhatsApp, whatever you like. And hope to see you next time. Bye bye.